Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the Geekbench 5 test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first phone, which is a Realme GT Master Edition, and second phone is a OnePlus Nord 2, and third is iQOO 7 device. As you can see, these are the few phones which I do have right now. And let's see what will be the single core difference and multi-core difference we can actually expect between all of these three smartphones with a different processors. The Realme GT Master Edition has got the Snapdragon 778G processor and Dimensity 1200 in the OnePlus Nord 2, and iQOO 7 has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. And during this time, I did enable the GT mode. I did enable the high performance mode. You can see on the top of notification panel. So high performance mode is enabled, and iQOO 7 doesn't need any kind of high performance mode because it's always on high. So let me to start the Geekbench 5 test right now. So all the apps are completely clear from the background. There's no running applications in the background at this moment, nothing at all. Let me see friends which phone will be having what kind of results we got in the Geekbench 5 test results. So again I'll be back after some time. Let's see how much single core difference will it be there and how much multi-core difference will it be there between these all three smartphones. So, and this is my first time comparing all these three phones together in one single video. So previously I did do a couple of other comparisons as well, but I never bought these three phones together in one single video, so which might be useful for few of the users to understand what is happening with the Snapdragon processors 778G and Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 870. So again, we'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, the first phone to finish the Geekbench 5 test results is the iQOO 7 device. So where is it got 100% exactly, and we got the score as well, single core 997 and multi-core 3316. Let's see what happens to the OnePlus Nord 2. Can it come close? Wow, that's kind of really close. As you can see friends, the multi-core performance of this OnePlus Nord 2 so did overtake this iQOO 7 device in terms of the multi-core performance, Snapdragon 870. As you can clearly see friends, and the single core is about 843 and single core 997, and we got the Snapdragon 778G as well, which has 2727. It's kind of fancy number. So 784. So single core performance, you can see the difference how it is between these processors. So definitely friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 has got this high performance mode which will boost a lot of performance, but that also heats up the phone. Yes, that also increases the temperatures in the OnePlus Nord 2. That's another thing you should definitely understand. So always don't use this all high performance mode, only use when it's necessary. So that's the main reason friends I'm trying to mention again and again. So because of this recent blast incidents and everything going on in the OnePlus Nord 2, so I would not recommend you to use a high performance mode. With the high performance mode, this is the only one, I think, Dimensity 1200 which came close to this Snapdragon 870. So with the high performance mode, that much capabilities. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this friends, state phone updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.